Bonjour. I wanted to come back to you again today with a Sunday debrief of the week, as it is more important than ever to stay connected at a moment where we have never been so physically separated. First, let me thank you all for the extraordinary solidarity, strength, and dedication you continue to show in what is definitely a tough time. You know it by now. We have only two priorities during this crisis: your health and our commitment to our clients. So let me tell you what has happened this week on those two fronts. For our people, we have put all of our energy to make sure we are taking every measure possible to keep everyone safe. The message here is very simple. Don't go outside. Stay home as much as you can. Today, 95% of you are equipped to work from home and maintain continuity of delivery with our clients while we are making sure that you're safe. I would like to thank Resource for their outstanding efforts in making that happen. For those whose home is not in the country where you are currently working, Publicis Groupe will pay for your ticket if you want to come back to see and be with your family. In this difficult moment, we know how vital it is to preserve not only your health, but also your well-being. Please go directly to Anne-Gabrielle Elbronner if you want us to help you. With most of you working from home, we actually moved from a couple of hundreds of offices around the world to 80,000 personal offices. Staying connected, sharing information, and being there for each other at every step is going to be key. It's actually going to be vital. This is why on Thursday and Friday, we held 10 live-streamed Q&A calls with almost 3,000 of your leaders to share all the initiative we are taking, and of course, more importantly, to answer any of their questions, the big and the small one. It is now their responsibility to come back to you all and update you on everything that has been discussed. We actually had great feedback from this session, so we will repeat those calls every 2 weeks. When it comes to our clients, we can never overstate enough the importance of staying very close, despite the distance, for anything they need. With our client leaders, we have reached out directly to thousands of them to help them adapt strategically and creatively their current commercials, but also corporate messages. It's important at this time. Make sure they can realign their media plan to be much more dynamic and deliver short-term ROI, and accelerate their digital capabilities now to put their customer at the center of their business to survive and actually thrive in those challenging times. We are uniquely positioned to bring them the kind of business ideas that they need to overcome this challenging period. We should be on their side every day. Of course, this week has brought even more uncertainty at economical level. Let's be honest, we don't know how long and how deep this crisis will go. So to protect your agencies and your talent during this crisis, I actually have the same message as for the health of our people. Please don't go outside. It is critical that in this time of uncertainty, we postpone every recruitment, we don't contract any freelancers, and we don't use third parties in any area. Everything you need can be found within Publicis. It is everyone's responsibility not to go outside and fully and exclusively leverage the group capabilities in every way. Your manager have been briefed during our Q&A sessions on how to activate our own resources. The country model that we have put in place is exactly what we need for that. It's time to harness the full potential of the power of one and making it a reality everywhere. I will end with a positive note because even in this difficult time, there are some good news that deserve to be shared. First, some of our agencies are starting to open again in China. To all of our teams there, you have been an incredible example on how to manage this unprecedented situation and a real inspiration for the entire group. We sincerely thank you for that. Also, in Italy, that has been hit extremely hard by the coronavirus, our team has just won their first video conferencing pitch. The whole process was completely online. Congrats to all of you. You are in all of our thoughts in this terrible moment for all the Italian people. Voilà, this is all for today, a bit longer than the last Sunday. We have been through another very difficult week, but we are focusing on the right thing, our people and our clients. It's how we will get through in the short term, but this is also why we can be confident in the midterm. Look, we have the skills, the expertise, and the robustness to overcome this crisis. Our creativity, our diversity, our sense of collaboration, and the resilience we have shown in the past is exactly what our clients are looking for today. We will continue to monitor the situation very closely and take all the necessary decisions real time to protect your health and your agencies. We are here for you anytime. So please, stay safe, stay close to your clients, and stay together even while apart. Merci.